Hi, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect protein drink. Nice and smooth, no lumps, no gimmicky spring balls, no gimmicky shakers. Probably the most low-tech video I'm going to be doing. And yes, I actually go to the gym. The first thing we're going to do is take our empty cup and put our protein in it, our whey protein. And for this demonstration, I'm going to do 2 scoops, that's right, you heard me, 2 scoops of protein. Alright, pretty easy. Following me along so far. Then, simply add some ice cubes. Not too many, just enough. Next, we're going to take plain old tap water. Then you can use your milk or anything else you want to add to this. If you can see this through the cup, we're only about half full. Put our lid on and give it a good shake. Those ice cubes are going to bounce around. Mix up your protein. And best part of all, not make it lumpy. Once we've shaken it up a little bit, then we'll top it up the rest of the way with water as we make a mess. And we'll just shake it up a little bit more. And we have our finished product. Pretty simple, eh? Take a look at that. As the foam settles, you can see there ain't no lumps. No lumps. You don't need expensive gadgets to make a nice protein shake that's not all lumpy. Just need some ice. So, quick short video. Hope it helps you make your protein shakes. And I wish you the best at the gym. Lord knows I need it. Pretty simple video. Most low-tech thing I think I've ever done. But it works. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you hit the subscribe button down there. And right beside it's the little bell. You can click that too, and that will give you a notification every time I upload a new video. And you know you want to see more videos by me. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.